Welcome to Kids Learning Spot. Today we will learn about emergency vehicles. These vehicles help people in danger and save lives. Let's start. Ambulance, ambulance. Fire truck, fire truck. Police car, police car. Police van, police van. Fire engine, fire engine. Rescue truck, rescue truck. Paramedic van, paramedic van. Air ambulance, air ambulance. Rescue helicopter, rescue helicopter. Coast guard boat, coast guard boat. Lifeboat, lifeboat. Patrol car, patrol car. SWAT vehicles, SWAT vehicles. Bomb disposal truck, bomb disposal truck. Search and rescue vehicles, search and rescue vehicles. Emergency response car, emergency response car. Disaster relief truck, disaster relief truck. Mobile command center, mobile command center. Animal rescue van, animal rescue van. Forest fire truck, forest fire truck. Water tanker fire truck, water tanker fire truck. Rapid response motorcycle, rapid response motorcycle. Traffic police bike, traffic police bike. Military ambulance, military ambulance. Emergency bus, emergency bus. Snow rescue vehicles, snow rescue vehicles. Mountain rescue vehicles, mountain rescue vehicles. Dive rescue boat, dive rescue boat. Airport fire truck, airport fire truck. Crash rescue vehicles, crash rescue vehicles. Flood rescue boat, flood rescue boat. Emergency pickup truck, emergency pickup truck. Civil defense vehicles, civil defense vehicles. First aid response bike, first aid response bike. Disaster management van, disaster management van. Now you know 40 emergency vehicles. Please don't forget to like, subscribe Kids Learning Spot for more fun educational videos on the daily basis.